show y'all what real Hellcat drivers eat. You feel we gonna get the motherfucking chicken flavor ramen noodles? Put that bitch in your pocket. Oh God. We don't pay for shit around here. And we got the watermelon power weed. Chicken and watermelon. Nigga, that's my favorite meal combo. TV, you feel me? Back at it again with another banger, and you feel me? I'm up to no good, as you can see by this mask on my motherfucking head. You feel me? We got the big cat out per usual. You feel me? We got that Draco motherfucker. If y'all hear some shooting on the east side, it's probably that big. And this the driver.
That ain't me, man.
Go ahead and shut yourself up. Shut yourself up.
They know who it is, man. When they see that, they know who it is. You ain't gotta talk, man.
Yeah, y'all know who it is. That boy got AK-47 on his shirt, on everything. So you feel me? We finna go ahead. You feel me? Get into the video. You feel me? You feel me? Cut up, bend a couple blocks. You feel me? Get y'all boys some action. So goddamn, I'll see y'all niggas when we get in the whip game. Alright, y'all. We finna go ahead and get in the motherfucking whip. You feel me? Your boy in the motherfucking striker, motherfucker. You feel me? We finna go ahead and get bro, car loud as hell. Trust me. You can't get fingerprints all over the street. That's how your ass get busted. This is the way of life. The striker mentality. Yeah, you also gotta pull the motherfucking mask on. What the fuck? Cause some havoc in these streets. Gotta keep this shit peak. You feel it? Ain't nobody doing this shit like that. Nobody going crazy about it. Oh my God! Ah! Y'all nigga hear that shit? Hell yeah. Come on, man, we don't stop for nothing, boy. What you think?
Nope.
Yeah, she a part of food. Oh shit, I left my boy. Let me pull over on the side. You feel me? We go down as a team. It's all for one, nigga. Not one for all. I think I said that right. I'm waiting on my boy. I know y'all see it there. That boy going crazy! That boy going crazy! Hey, we get it too! What y'all know about that motherfucking scat motherfucker with that bazooka tune? Best motherfucking cat driver. I'm playing. Damn, what happened to my boy? can't you say, nigga? When you in a motherfucking cat, nigga, that's how you supposed to drive. And skates. And don't forget, nigga, straight. Fuck with that motherfucking cat. I know you do, nigga. Who went like a cat? We finna pull up to that motherfucking gas station. You feel me? Only certified real niggas can go to that gas station. A lot of niggas got their ass sweet cheese out their hoe. A lot of niggas got their ass sweet cheese out their hoe. You feel me? Only the real niggas can be at that bitch. You feel me? We don't park at pumps, nigga. We park wherever we want to. Let me show y'all niggas something. You got the hoe twerking out there hoe. We're in the motherfucking trenches. Alright, I'll follow you, bitch. I'm gonna follow you now. Alright, y'all change the plans. These niggas, it's some real street niggas. I know we street niggas, but them niggas some real street niggas. We gotta go somewhere else. God. I thought I got my ass shot. But it called too goddamn loud. That shit is not good. That shit is not good for the human ears. It sound like a nigga getting their down. What's up, YouTube? You feel me? Real nigga just entered the motherfucking stove. You know, I need to go get me something to eat. Let me show y'all what real Hellcat drivers eat. You feel me? We gonna get the motherfucking chicken flavor ramen noodles. Put that bitch in your pocket. Oh God. We don't pay for shit around here. And we got the watermelon power weed. Oh God. Chicken and watermelon. Nigga, that's my favorite meal combo. You feel me? They finna go buy these snacks. Nigga, I ain't buy shit. This shit come for free when you got a motherfucking strike, nigga. On everything. Yep.
You wanna buy it?
Man, leave me alone.
Oh, we just stole them home. Just took the charges up.
Hey.
Bring it to your front door.
No, don't do that.
Hey, oh, they do.
You trying to get me ran out the damn house. It didn't go through.
It ain't go through, man.
Damn, you trying to steal some shit too?
Hey.
Get on my team.
See, we can use you around here in these streets.
You got a tongue.
What y'all think? Y'all think
Hey,
Unc got it?
got a bunch of them, dude.
We gonna try to sell Unc the cat when he get out of here. $3,000.
Hey, don't bother me.
You showing it for the YouTube?
Yeah.
You ain't gonna remember that shit. You gotta write that shit down.
Oh, God.
He ain't gonna remember it. He ain't finna miss some shit. I'd have so many people lie to me saying they gonna fuck with my shit.